Power target trades. Power trigger trade.
Option strategies, options wins, and option management is all what I do for my group inside of Power Group Trades. And I want to show you a great example of this, of a great winning plans that we had in Home Depot. Now, what I did, if you take a look here on August the 28th on my Power Trigger Trade Twitter, I posted a full out plan. That means if somebody clicked on that video and understood how to take instructions, they were able to take advantage of this plan. However, I also manage this plan inside of Power Group Trades. So without further ado, let's go take a look at this greater than 100% gains in Home Depot options. But this was a double win, and I'm going to show you the story, and I'm going to be talking about the sun and the rain and how important it is to manage the rain in order to capture the sun. A lot of people want to show you the glory, but reality is it's also about the management, self-management, and money management. So I'm going to click into this video over here. All right, so I'm inside the video here, and here you can see the plan here. It's an HD is set up to test 232 to 238. The September 220 calls is what we will use. And then I even gave the confirmation number. HD needs to break above 223 to confirm. Now this plan did pay out quickly, and we also rolled out to other options. I'm going to get more to the example here. But there's a powerful story here because Home Depot wasn't just an easy win. However, having the right mindset and the strategies and the study did lead to great success. But it does require an understanding. That being said, where a lot of people do make a lot of mistakes in the markets and have the wrong mindset, what I teach and preach is help people to do the right thing so that they can succeed with skill, not by luck, which a lot of people do. They rely too much on luck. So anyways, over here where the arrows are, you can see the September 20 calls. They closed at $500. For Home Depot. And this again was August the 28th. August the 28th, Home Depot was at $221.95. And the confirmation was 223. So now we're going to go inside of Power Group Trades. But this again was information that was found directly on Power Trigger Trade for everyone to see, okay, as an example. But it's so key and important to become a member inside my group because I give all the proper support and the mindset and the lessons through my live streams. That being said, if you didn't catch these gains and you did watch this and you did make money in Home Depot, then it goes to show you, I mean, it pretty well was easy to make some gains in Home Depot, but did require the proper mindset. I want to show you what I'm talking about. All right, so that same HD plan, I posted this inside of Power Group Trades, okay? My specific group. So, that I manage, okay? It's a managed group, okay, where I educate and empower. Now, that means a person does need to study. Now, if they don't, then, of course, their success won't be the same as it should be because they are not following all the rules. And I will get to that later. So, as you can see, HD is set up to test well, we've seen that, right? And here you could see the options right over here where the arrows are. That was the close. Now, of course, we paid more because confirmation, we had to pay for confirmation for Home Depot. That being said, let me show you that right now. All right, here, August 29th, HD confirming with the September 2220 calls at 6.30. What that meant was that the options cost $630 on confirmation. Now you saw on the close on August the 28th they were $505. All right. That being said, plus you can see we were at the same time our RUCO plan, the September 20. I'm going to post a RUCO plan, winning plan at the end of this video as well. But that being said, we're going to be talking about Home Depot and another great message in Home Depot. All right, so on the end of August the 29th, I posted another HD plan because what I wanted our group to do is we were going to take profits from the September 20. I suggested to take profits from the September 20 220 calls, at least half of them, and hold and or invest into the October. I'll show you the plan over here. So let's take a look here. So here it is. As you can see, on the 29th, Home Depot made a move to 227.32. So we had made some great gains, okay, by buying into the Home Depot options, the September 220 calls. What I suggested was, I saw that the potential for Home Depot, and by the way, we're gonna get to that as well, the closing price, which happens to be on September the 6th. So I believe that when I saw the way we moved and how quickly that we did, I then made an adaptive thinking measurement and another plan for Home Depot, which is winning right now. And what we did is I said HD is set up to test 240 to 250 based on the move it did today and other key factors that I'm looking at. The October 18 230 calls is what we will use. HD needs to break above 229 to enter this plan, and so we did. Now, this plan did go against us, right? We didn't just make money like this, like we did in the beginning. But this is one of the reasons why I actually went into October calls, due to the possibility of a little bit of chop that could happen, and I knew this. Okay, again, I'm looking at a lot of factors. Okay, and I knew that this was a very bullish stock. However, doesn't mean the market doesn't do some crazy things in the meantime, right? But the big picture is what I'm about, and the big picture was correct. Okay, so now we're going to look at the confirmation on August the 30th. So HD confirming with the October 18 230 calls at $560, okay? So I may make a mistake at the end of the video talking about the perfect entry, but that is the official price of the entry, is $560 per option for Home Depot. Now, that being said, this plan had a bit of an issue. We had to deal with a bit of rain, and I want to show you what I did say, and then of course we're going to see the outcome for September the 7th. And of course this plan here is still ongoing right now, okay? So let me show you what I said on September the 4th, managing this plan. September the 3rd and the 4th. All right, on September the 3rd, you can see me making a comment here. HD can be choppy, but is very strong. Key support, short-term support is 225, 224. So what I did was I explained to the people that we got to look at key support levels. And again, I was managing the plan. This was starting to go against us, Home Depot, on the October 20 230 calls. Now, also, at the same time, Roku continued to pay for us. Okay, the 155 calls was our third winner in a row. And again, at the end of this video, you're going to be able to see a link of that video to study what went on with all those three plans. As I made a great video really to document everything. It's a great way to learn and grow. So now let's go to September the 4th. So here's the rain situation, right? Because this was going against us here. But listen to what I wrote here on September the 4th. This is key, okay? For HD, if we can hold the stops at 250, of course we held those stops, it should be fine. We have a lot of time, and it has built a bull flag. I'm telling people, listen, because I've seen this from experience. If our stops hold, it could go higher. Right now, the options are at 3.05. As HD is at 221.83 for our October 8th. So basically, this never hit. It was close, but did not hit our stops. And now we're going to go to September the 6th close to see the final outcome of why, if you know how to handle the rain, you can catch the sun. That the big picture is being the way to really succeed is to be correct, the right picture, to have a strong focus on your direction. That sometimes things can go against you, but if the rules are being followed, which it was, the gains can, now Home Depot is set up for higher prices, even better by the way we closed on September the 6th. So now onto the charts now. All right, people, so here we are in the charts here, okay? September the 6th close for Home Depot, and Home Depot closed at 231. Now, remember on September the 4th, right over here, this was the fire, we were the rain, but we bounced like I explained. We held the support, okay? And I'm going to show you the outcome of the October 230 options as well. But we're going to be looking at the September 20 calls, okay? Now, this is what I'm talking about, what real skill. You notice I talked about a flag pattern. So I knew that this was a bullish stock and that if we would bounce from the bull pattern support level, okay, that's why I put that everything would be fine. And of course, that's what happened, okay? But this is from experience of handling the rain in order to catch the sun, okay? So you saw what was written, okay? And this was what we do. This is why I know about the sun and the rain. I talk about that. But in order to catch the sun, you have to know how to handle the rain. You can't be trading with fear. You need to trade with strategies, okay, and confidence. And a lot of people do not. They see that if things are going against them, do they know about support? Do you know your support levels? Do you know how to adapt to the situation of what's going on? And this is where it's very hard for most people. But inside of my group and having someone like me manage, I help you do the right things. That being said, so you can see that the 220 calls right over here, they closed at $1,200 per option, right? So there's 100% gains there on large priced options, right? Now, I'm going to show you the, again, this is September. See, this was the bounce, right? We were inside this. We had paid for this, and it was going against us. That's the rain, right? If we would have sold for the wrong reasons, you would have missed the sun, okay? And plus, because we were in place plans like Roku, it helped, right? It's about doing the right things for success. Loss is a part of the market. But if you are losing for the wrong reasons, you cannot succeed in the market. You need to succeed for the right reasons with skill. That's the message of this video. That being said, let's go take a look at the October calls, okay? I'm going to show you that right now over here inside my options chain. So here's the October 30 calls. Now, they closed at $683. Now, remember, just on this day here, we were going to settle for a loss and be stopped out at $250. But because we held, not only are we up, we're up about 20% on the options, because the options we bought at $500, and now the options closed, and this is now perfectly set up for higher prices. We are already inside in the money with the October 18 230 calls. Again, I handled the rain in order to catch the sun. I couldn't focus on things that were giving us problems. I had to focus on doing what is correct for everything, whether your plans are in problems or they're in success. You have to manage both. You have to manage the rain and the sun for true success. Because if I had to miss this move due to the wrong reasons, I would be more upset with that than anything else. All right, people, welcome to Power Trick or Trade. Confirmation is key. This is my Twitter. How to become a member inside of Power Group Trades? Well, you see this pinned tweet? Study that video. It explains how to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. Okay. But one of the simple things to do is you should go to my YouTube channel. Here's the link right here. You go with that, click on there. We're going to go there together now. So I'm going to click on that. All right, when you go to my YouTube channel, you're going to come to, now you won't see this part here, but what you'll see is it will tell you live streams on Wednesday at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Canada. So my banner gives you key information. You should be attending all my live streams and asking me questions and listening to them, okay? And and then also, these are my recent uploads, but a lot of the things you should be studying is my created playlist. It shows you the strategies of the plans the same year after year. We have a plan, we get confirmation, I then manage it in the group, we take our profits, and we repeat the process, okay? We manage everything, and so on and so forth. There's more to it than what I'm saying, but you should be studying the videos, and the more you're listening to me, the more you learn, okay? If you don't have a YouTube account, get one, subscribe to your manual. If you have one already, at the end of the video, you're going to see a picture of me in a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. You should study this YouTube channel. Study what I'm saying in this video. Study my live streams, okay? Look for all my past live streams. Listen to what I'm saying there. I'm giving key advice, okay? Come to my live streams. Ask me questions, okay? The key is for you to expand your mind, to stop making the same mistakes, and to have the right mindset. If you want success in the market, you have to study, you have to put the right efforts. Okay, but you have me, you having a mentor, a leader, to help you and guide you doing the right things, because I do the right things over and over and over again. And success comes to those who put the right efforts, who put the right studies, who have the right mindset, that keep learning to move forward. Hope to see you inside of Power Group Trades. Don't forget to like this video, make comments, and subscribe to this YouTube channel.
Power target trades. Power trigger trade.